Hi guys, so my old blower, leaf blower, finally gave up the ghost last time I used it and started spraying gas everywhere. I've had it for probably 8 or 10 years, so it's pretty good. So I was allowed today to go and get a new one. And ended up with this Ryobi gas jet fan blower that the kids say looks like some sort of alien gun. So let's unbox this thing. End of the blower. Some sort of a strap. And it looks like the rest of it comes pretty much put together. Perfect. Super easy. So one of the reasons I picked this one is because the fan comes in the back end. And my old one had a fan on one of the sides, and I was always sucking it up against my pant leg when I was using it. So this one, it's got a nice handle, really nice handle. So let's see if I can get some gas in it and get started. It was pretty amazing. I put gas in it from completely dry out of the box and started it in 2 pulls, which is amazing. Let's see if I can start it now on camera. So you just have to put it in full choke. Actually, it's been warm, so I'll do it in half choke. And then, oh, I'm not going to be able to pull this. Hang on. Set up the camera. Okay. Ready here? Super easy. I've never had the other one start as easily as that. Incredible. So I'm going to blow some leaves around. Got plenty of leaves around here to clean up. So I'm going to start blowing some. I'm very impressed. Let me show you. So much more powerful than the old one. Very powerful, nice and easy to use. Let me show you some of the features that I like. So aside from starting easily, like I just said, it has a kind of a cruise control feature when it's running. So when it's running, you can, I have to do one-handed, you can put it in like that on this switch and it will stay on full power. So you can switch hands and move it around without needing to keep squeezing the grip. And this is the on-off switch. Nice, very well balanced, very powerful, and just looks cool too. Did a good job cleaning up some leaves just now. I was initially kind of worried that it didn't have a very long blower tube, but it's so powerful you don't even really need to put it near the ground. In fact, some places I had to keep it up a bit to keep it from blowing the mulch around and that kind of thing. But very nice blower.